I love money, I love bags, I love cars, turbo stack. I want Louis double V, I want Prada for my feet. I love curtains made of silk, wrap my body like some milk. I want.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna be doing a let's do like a fall. Let's do a fall look today. I haven't done a fall makeup look on my channel in like a month, so we're gonna do a fall makeup look today. I'm going out, so I just want to do my face really cute, hanging out with my friends. So yeah, I'm going in with my Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and you guys know, I feel like you guys already know what I use on my face already. I ordered some new makeup products, so I can't wait for that to come and I can do some different looks for you guys. But yeah, this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I feel like I should know what these stuff are. Like, I don't know if it's only me, but sometimes, I don't know. It's like I'll keep forgetting what I'm using on my face, and like I should know by now what I'm using on my face. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to go in with my Sonia Kashuk sponge. If you guys know me, you guys know that this is my favorite sponge. I don't really like the beauty blenders anymore. I don't know if it's since I've been using this sponge, but I feel like this sponge, I don't have to put a lot of foundation on and it covers me pretty well. But when I use my beauty blender, I feel like I have to keep putting on product because it's just soaking it up for some reason. But I'm using my NARS Tahoe. So is it me? I feel like I'm seeing orange for some reason. I'm going out. I haven't been out in a while, honestly. I've just been in the house. But I want to do something. I'm tired of being in the house, honestly. So I'm going out tonight. I don't know what makeup look I want to do, honestly. I think I want to do like a cut crease. I want to be extra. Alright, for concealer, I'm going in with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the color Golden Amber. You guys know I love my Tarts and I ran out, so I just bought another one. So I'm waiting for that to come. I mean I like this concealer, but it dries fast. So as soon as I put it on, I have to blend it out because it dries really fast. And then when it dries, it's like hard to work it. So I have to spray my face and do all of that other stuff. So in my last video that I just put out, I told you guys that I was kind of like in a content creating funk. Like, I don't know what it was, but I don't know. I kind of didn't know what to like put out. Honestly, with me, I feel like I just don't want to keep putting out the same stuff. I just feel like the same stuff over and over is like boring. Like, I don't want to keep putting out the same stuff. I want to put out different stuff. But at the same time, it's like a pandemic and there's really not much you can do. But I don't know. I'm just happy the holidays is coming up. Like, if you know me, fall, like the fall season, like the last 3 months of the year is always the best time of the year because you have Halloween. I really don't celebrate Halloween, but you have Halloween, and then of course you have Thanksgiving, and then you have Christmas, which is my favorite holiday. But the last 3 months of the year is always the best time of the year. And this year I'm really thinking about doing Vlogmas. I kind of have a concept on what I want to do as far as like everybody have their little cute intros and stuff like that. But I think I'm gonna do Vlogmas. I just gotta find stuff to do, and it's like harder now because it is the pandemic with COVID and everything. So I'm trying to see what stuff they will have that's like maybe outside. Honestly, I'm not doing ice skating. I'm not doing that. Now I'm gonna take my CoverGirl True Blend to contour my face. Anyway, so yeah, I told you guys I was like in a content block, but I see myself coming out of it like a little by little. Like I've been coming out of it, so I got a lot of good ideas from people on what to put out. Me and my sister, we be talking to each other more. I mean, we always was cool, but you know, sometimes it's just to get on your nerves, of course. But lately we've been cool, not getting on each other's nerves anymore. So she has a YouTube channel, and she's more of a lifestyle channel because she travels a lot. Like, well, before COVID, she was really traveling to like different countries. So now she was just trying to figure out what else can she do to bring to her channel that now that she's not traveling. So me and her, we have like lots of talks to kind of like, you know, help each other out with our content. So I kind of like got an idea of videos I want to put out and try to be more consistent. As you guys can see, I'm testing out setups, and I think this is my favorite one, honestly. So I feel like the rest of the month, you know, and going into the holidays, I'm gonna have more content that I'm going to want to put out on my channel. You guys know that I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the color Truffle. I'm going to list the products in the description box. Sometimes I keep forgetting, but I'm going to list it this time. Now I'm going to go with my Laura Mercier Translucent Honey to set my face. Alright, you guys know that I love Melt Cosmetics. So I think I'm going to use their color palette today to do this fall look. I'm going to do a cut crease, honestly. So I'm actually going to use two palettes because which palette do I want to use? Yeah, this don't have a transition color that I want to use, so I'm going to get another palette. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to use the Violet Voss Pro palette. And this is the Holy Grail palette, and I'm going to use Are You Kidding Me as my transition color. And this is the Morphe M521 brush. And then I'm going to use, I feel like it could be better. So I'm going to use hashtag, and this orange color right here. Oh yes, this is it. This is the one. There's people, I live in an apartment building, and the people that lives below me is arguing right now, and I hope you guys cannot hear this, but they're really arguing. All right, I'm gonna take Fixated, which is this greenish color, I guess. And I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner. I don't know how I changed up this whole video. But anyway, let me go back and get my little mirror in this palette right here. I'm just gonna add Fixated. And now I'm gonna add back more orange because I kind of took the orange away just now. Okay, I don't know where I was going with this. I should have just stuck to my original plan. I was just doing a cut crease. But whatever. Okay, let's just see where it goes. I kind of see some potential on where I can take this. All right, I'm gonna get some concealer and I'm going to do a half cut crease. Yeah, because I don't know where I was going with this. All right, y'all, so I kind of cut it like I did like a half cut crease. I feel like I messed up this look, but cool. I'm going with Cool Beans, which is like this color right here. And I'm just gonna place this and see how it looks. Alright, it kind of don't look bad. Alright, y'all, so this is what it looks like. It don't look bad. It don't. I see some potential. It has potential. I'm just gonna kind of like, you know, blend out these corners so they don't look too harsh. Alright, so I'm gonna put my mascara and my eyelash and see how it looks after. I feel like it doesn't look that bad. This wasn't the look I was going for. But okay, we gonna see. We gonna make it work. All right, you guys. So I applied my lashes and I put mascara on, and I also applied it to my bottom lash. So now it honestly don't look too bad. I'm kind of feeling it. I'm gonna go in with my blush by MAC. I still don't know the name of it. Maybe I can try to find the name of it. I want to be dramatic today. I think just for the video, I might just put lip gloss on. But just for the video, I'm going to go in with Limbo by ColourPop. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty What It Do setting spray and just set my face. Alright, you guys, so I am dressed. I am going to put on some perfume. So for perfume, I'm going with the Gucci Guilty, and I love this perfume. So kind of don't want to spray it on my shirt, so I'm kind of just gonna spray it on like my arm area and catch the back. So yeah. All right, y'all, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's not the look that I wanted to do at first, but it still came out good, honestly. I don't even know why I was tripping, but anyway, the look came out good. I just have to fix my bang right here because I don't know why this is sticking up like this. but I'm gonna fix it. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I just want to say thank you for all the encouraging words that I've been receiving. You guys know I've been having like a little content block, and some of you guys left good encouraging words, so I'm feeling a little better, honestly. And see, I'm here putting out this content, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I love money, I love bags, I love cars, turbo